Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on Upptalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say Upptalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
Can you close out this file and open it in Excel? Open it in Excel. Right. Then in the parent company, can you put a comma in it? Put a comma and then save it. Parent comma. Oh, you cannot do that, right? You cannot. No, this is a subsidiary. You cannot do this because it's a list. You need to remove the parent. Don't do it. Don't do this on this field. Let's say the name is demo, comma 1. Demo, comma 1, right? Demo, comma 1. Let's save it. Now save it as C-Suite. Let's remove this. We can try with one only, right? Save it as CSV and run it and see what happens. Let's try creating one. What was the name of our file? Sorry, I forgot. Customer estimate. Name it is not taking actually. Let me try with another form, right? I can use another field or something on this one. Let's try this standard customer file. That is fine. Let's see how it behaves. All the things are mapped, but you cannot see the name. Name is there. The company name is like the same because we have selected as company now. It will take us name. If we had selected individual, then we can take name. Now name will be visible on that form. I can show you. It has created the record. Actually, let's see. All records imported successfully. That is fine. Let's see. Recently created. Let me remove this filter and take the date created filter again. It took with the comma as well. Can you open that file on Notepad? The same file. Right. I'll open it on Notepad. Migration. Anything else? This is the basic thing. You can advance these things. Let me tell you some advanced things you can come up with. Let's say now we have everything, a data migration. What if there is a field which takes multiple values? There can be a field which has a multi-select field. Let's say, right, in that scenario, let's go again. That is one thing which I came across and it took me hours to find just to update that. That is one thing I just wanted to show you. There might be another things that come up just to make you understand how we can use these advanced feature. You can see that custom multi-select values delimited. You can explore your way how we can add multiple values to a multi-select field. All these things are advanced options. Sometimes we need to explore all these things. But the basic thing we have covered how we can migrate the data. Only thing we need to keep in mind that whatever information we are providing, if it is, dependent, like I showed you, subsidiary, it should be there. That is the only thing we need to take care of. Otherwise, it will create the record. Web system node during import. What does that mean? The very first checkbox. Log system node for custom fields. Enable this option to create system node during. System nodes is something you can say, let me open a record for you. You can see that no system node is there for this record. Every time we will create a record, it will create the system nodes like how this record was created. That is something system nodes did. System nodes like what field changed what field at what time by who, at what date it was created, what was the context it was created. Like ours record was created from CSV. It will exactly give us that this record was created via CSV. That is something system nodes is. Let me see if we can. That is the thing with CSV. Let's upload. Is this the only tool for data migration? In data migration via CSV, it is the only thing. Any record you can create this way, and you can only create records via CSV. Whatever options are provided over there. Let me again show you. There is no other tool that gives us data migration in that suite. Data migration is something very vast thing. Via CSV, that is the only thing. Like I told you yesterday, we can migrate data from other applications via integration. Integration is something. Before that, you need to understand scripting part. Either integration or via integration. Integration can be done by a third-party apps as well. You might be aware of Celigo, I guess. You are aware of Celigo. What is that? You can search it. Celigo is a third-party tool actually. What it does, in Celigo we can create flows. We can set up our account. Let's say if you need to export some customers from Salesforce to our NetSuite. What we can set up both accounts, NetSuite account and Salesforce account in Celigo application. What it will do, it will, work as a bridge over there. We can fetch a record from Salesforce to NetSuite. It works same way as CSV. We just need to map the data from Salesforce to NetSuite. It works that way. We can migrate data that way as well via third-party tool as well. But if you want to, do direct integration, for that we need to write scripts. But can I script actually? Can you write a script to load data from a file? To load data from a file, we can do. In scripting part, we will be doing a lot of these things. Oh, that should be our next topic, I guess. For we have covered all these, overview of NetSuite and fulfillment and invoice that we have. You have already seen custom records and custom fields also. You are aware, I guess, right now, right? And form customization also and data migration. We have seen phases of data migration process. We have seen upload and dissolve the errors. We have seen validate the migrated data. Now, from tomorrow onwards, we can move to the scripting part. Before that, if you want something else me to cover in, functional things, what far we have covered, you can let me know. Otherwise, we can move to the scripting part. Right. I try to get the access. Scripting right. Any two. You want me to install or no? No need. Actually, you know what's it? NetSuite recommends Eclipse as IDE, but I personally use Notepad+. We'll be covering what types of scripts are there in NetSuite, and we will start first with client scripts, right? Before that, please try to reach with Taran and try to fetch the access. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.